Hey, what's up guys? It's Lam here again, your tech guide, checking out another Ringke inner bezel styling. This time we've got the silver version and a different design. So let's check this out and see what it looks like. And just want to show you guys my previous inner bezel from Ringke, the black version. This is what it looks like. If you guys haven't seen the video of this, you could always go check it out. So let's try to remove this before installing the silver one. Okay, so let's open this up. And there is your bezel styling along with an extra double-sided tape. Okay. So this one, it looks like, okay, so it does comes with a tool to, I think, to remove it. The old one, which I'm gonna try to attempt to remove it. It looks like it's in there, guys. It might be difficult to remove, but I'll try my best to remove it. Oh yeah, it's in there. Okay, so it's really hard to remove. If you guys are planning to keep swapping the inner bezel, just think twice, because it's okay. All right, there you go. So it's actually not too bad to remove. Just make sure you use your tools and kind of just slip it in there. All right, so there's the black one. Now we're going to install the silver color. I'm just going to find the center point. So that's 30. And let me see the picture here. So the center point should be at 60 right here. All right, so let's get this one installed. Remove the cover. And if you want to really have this stay on the display or the frame of the bezel, make sure you do an alcohol wipe all around it, around your bezel. So let's, oops, oh wow, okay. Let's find the center point right there. Just align it. Okay, that looks like we are in the middle. Okay, and then you just press it all around to make sure it stays on the bezel. And there you have it, guys. That's what it looks like with the silver inner bezel styling on the black Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So it looks pretty good. As you can see, the fitting fits very well. I do have a tempered glass screen protector, so it does add more protection in there. But there you go. They do have other more designs as well, so I will continue to purchase them and showcase it to you guys. So let's put this on my wrist. And there you go. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Okay. So it makes the watch look completely different. All right, so if you guys have any other questions, or if you are interested in this particular version of the inner bezel styling, I will put a link on the description below. So once again guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.